Okay, so basically some YouTubers sent me a message asking if they can dare me something too, and honestly why not? So their dare was to make myself sneeze for 5 minutes. I feel like this should make me die, but I'm probably, exaggerating. It's just that, your heart stops. But what they told me to do was take a corner of tissue and stick it up my nose and tickle my nose. And I don't know if this is even gonna work. I don't know if I'm gonna sneeze. We'll see. Oh. This is really awkward. And not making me sneeze. This is a fail. This is a fail, buddy. I'm sorry. I tried. I can try longer if you want. It tickles. It does tickle. I'm sorry. I tried. I really did.